design, marketing and product which has put together a demo for you. We could easily manage the demo with all of you in small batches. We will show you the entire set of features that it is offer. But before that, apart from the introductory video that you just saw, we have a detailed feature video also, which helps you understand all that I just mentioned very briefly. So can we just quickly play the feature video with the lights off? Mega trends that you're seeing in our country. One is that of urbanization. It's a huge mega trend. Most Indian cities are growing rapidly. There's a lot of influx of people from the smaller towns, the tier 3, tier 4, into the neighboring larger cities and larger towns. There is a lot of, I think, associated with urbanization, focus on building smart homes and good-looking homes, where aesthetics plays a very important role, because you are really looking at your home to be the place where you spend the most of your time with yourself and of course your dear family members. In keeping with that, and also post-pandemic, if you may have remembered things that we all went through, the horrible things that we all went through, the first of its kind that we have seen in our lifetime and hopefully the last one. This pandemic actually drove a lot of joblessness and many other things that happened to the weaker sections of the society. And naturally the fallout was a bit of, safety related concerns that suddenly started becoming more and more acute. And we saw a lot of things being reported, and the statistics are there, the data is there to suggest that there were a lot of unfortunate break-ins that had happened. And that's what this Fear is Good video also spoke about. If you remember what Makarand Deshpande said, that there have been a lot of such cases that are now off late being reported. So combined with all of this, the need for a good-looking main door smart device, which only adds to your home safety needs and also advances your desire to have a smart-looking home, starting from the main door, with a smart device like the Advantis IoT9, which, by the way, in our research also, when we spoke to a lot of our current buyers over the last 3 months of our digital locks, apart from a few important things that they spoke about in terms of access mode, they all spoke about the fact that it adds substantially to the aesthetics on the main door.